Hey guys, it's Avery and I'm back to answer one of your frequently asked questions. So in the last video, I talked about why some women want to switch over to our cloth pads. And in this video, I'll be talking about, now that you've decided that you want to make the switch, how many cloth pads do you need? So it really depends on each woman. Everyone's different. Depends if you're going to wear these pads full time. Are you going to be switching in between disposables, or maybe you're just using them as a backup for your menstrual cup? I do have a little formula if you plan on using these full time. It is how many pads you usually use a day, and you can figure this out by counting the pads you currently use, your disposables, and then times that amount by the days in between that you don't want to be washing your pads. So if you want to go 3 days without washing your pads and you use 5 pads a day, then you're going to need 15 pads. Also, you can think about what sizes that you usually wear for disposables. Are you doing longer overnights? Maybe you're doing shorter daytime pads during the day and then wearing one overnight, so you might want to get, say you use 5 pads a day, 4 of those be a moderate, lighter, shorter pad, and then 1 for overnight. So there's a couple of different things to think about. A lot of women will try our cloth, our size sampler set. So you'll get 1 in each size. And our sizes are panty liners. Let me grab one here. Panty liners that are 7 inches. Moderate, this is our new kitty print. A moderate pad that is 9 inches. We have a heavy at 11 and an overnight / postpartum pad at 13 inches long. So a couple different things to think about. Also, it depends too on your budget. Are you going to buy a full stash? Or if your budget doesn't allow it, you can also buy what you can afford, and then every month or whenever you can buy additional pads and just supplement your cloth pads that you use with your disposables that you still have lying around. Alright, so that's the answer to that question. If you have any more, please let me know and keep an eye out for our next video.